Mr. Speaker, today I rise to recognize Halifax Community College's Derrick L. Flood on winning an award for excellence in academic librarianship. Whereas, Derrick L. Flood serves as the Director of Learning Resources at Halifax Community College and was honored with an award for excellence in academic librarianship during the North Carolina Library Association Conference's most recent meeting. Derrick L. Flood was recognized for his role in redefining the role of the Learning Resource Center at Halifax Community College. Mr. Flood has 2 graduate degrees from Clark Atlanta University, a bachelor's degree in business technology from Appalachian State University, and an associate in business administration from Ronald Chowan Community College. He is also a doctoral candidate at Capella University, specializing in adult education. According to Halifax Community College, Mr. Flood is committed to providing students with meaningful access to learning by maintaining current evidence-based resources and fostering an environment that encourages exploration and growth. He continues to showcase how academic libraries can transform campus life and strengthen the educational mission of Halifax Community College. Mr. Flood also has interest in music, travel, reading mysteries, adventure, and attending community events. Now, therefore, it is fitting to congratulate Derrick L. Flood on being honored for his excellence in academic librarianship by the North Carolina Library Association and to express appreciation for his commitment to the students in Halifax County.